Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel DramaBox subscription. First, open the setting on your iPhone. Find the setting app on your home screen and tap it. At the top of the setting, tap your Apple ID name. This opens your Apple account setting. On the next screen, tap subscriptions. This shows all the apps you are currently paying for. Scroll through the list and tap DramaBox. If you don't see it, that means there's no active subscription. To cancel the subscription, tap cancel subscription or cancel free trial. Apple will ask you to confirm. Tap confirm. Your subscription is now cancelled. Even after cancelling, you can keep your DramaBox until the end of your billing period. You will not be charged again. Make sure you are signed in with the Apple ID that was used to subscribe. You can also restart your phone and check again. After cancelling, Apple will send a confirmation mail. Keep it for your records. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.